So today is currently a Thursday and I am in studio because, well, I like to be in studio, but after yesterday we actually had a summer show meeting, just kind of like doing the kind of sketches and mock-ups. I will put some photos here of the sketches that our tutors discussed with us, and also some models that Chris made for our space because it is downstairs, which I can show you guys later. But we're gonna be organizing the summer show, and I'm put in charge to do the Unit 3 catalog, which is a booklet which just consists of Unit 3 work, and it's not the whole Bartlett Summer Show book. So yeah, because I'm gonna be traveling next week to Germany with my mom and my sister, so I'm not gonna be physically in the building to help them build the whole thing, which is quite sad because I would like to do that, but at least I'm doing this, and I got nominated to be treasurer because of spreadsheets. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with this. I'm currently writing the contents page, and yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is kind of the summer show space in the lobby area, and each unit kind of gets one space and a TV screen in the middle with the bracket, and then you can put stuff on the walls and everything. So that's our plan. I mean, this is the space that we're going to be working with. Hi guys, today is going to be a great day because it is Friday and my mom is actually landed this morning in London, Heathrow, and she's coming to visit for the month of June, and we're going to go travel, so I'm quite excited. I'm going to go pick her up at the station now, and yeah, come along and I'll show her around London. I mean, she's been here before, but still excited. Let's go. Yay, we're gonna head. Stem and glory. Got a vegan cheesecake. So pretty. Come on, guys. What do you think, mommy?
It's perfect.
Nice. So today, bringing my mother to Bartlett. Hi. So we're walking all the way there. The building is there. So yeah, and then showing her some of my drawings. Okay, we're here. We're gonna click the button. Okay, now she's trying to take a photo of me opening this door, which I've done so many times. But okay. Let's go. This is so weird because we're just walking up the stairs that I walk up every day, except she's with me now. Studio spaces. Yeah, mommy, Unit 3, you see?
So here I'm just showing my mom the drawings I've done over this whole academic year, and I just wanted to say that I am so grateful that I'm able to share my life here in London with her and just show her the things that I do daily, and it's just been amazing.
Mommy, what do you think of the Bartlett tour?
I like this tour, but it's just a little bit short.
I should have given us more time.
Yeah, I love your drawing, and it's so nice that you also see them with my real eyes.
Yeah, not just through YouTube.
Yeah, not through the YouTube. Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah. I love all this creative, crazy idea.
Thanks, mommy.
Yeah, and also, I'm really happy about the drawing you made. This is a really fantastic drawing.
Oh, thanks, mommy. Also, I just saw Joanna's paintings, and I just want to say, Joanna, your paintings are so cool, and the texture is just like amazing. But yeah,
Whole things.
this is my dead plant, and my mom is like, I need to record this dead plant. We also saw this really cool thing on the landing, and we're just looking around. I'm also showing my mom my first year accommodation, which is John Adams Hall here, right next to the Bartlett. And of course, she's gonna take a photo to remember this. So we're gonna be cooking at our friend's tonight, so we just prep all these ingredients and we're gonna bring it over and cook there. Mommy's cooking. Made these salapi.
Oh, did you want it to be like that?
I mean, I thought that was like easier to share, but like if for the photo, it can be.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's put them together.
Looks good.
Yeah. Thanks, Joy.
Okay.
Yeah, no, yeah, go for like the.
Gloria, first time go to that restaurant, she said, "Mom, I love this Dongbei Dalapir so much."
Because the noodle texture is good.
Is it the
Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
Thanks.
Thanks, Yanjun.
Is it spicy? Meant to be spicy at all?
Well, you can add spice too. I just didn't.
You said you have to stir it up quickly, otherwise it stick together.
Oh, really good. I think that sauce is really good. What's in the sauce?
It's just peanut butter, like soy sauce, and then. I made this amazing ocean bowl. I mean, it's a product, but it tastes so good. Oh my gosh. This morning, we're all going to the gym together. Because my mom is a yoga person. Let's go.
將你嘅箭擺上去，咁佢就唔會咁污糟。So I'm really happy.
Thanks, yay, mom.
It actually is not that dirty.
So I'm on my way back home and my mom is actually still at the gym doing yoga. But I decided to vlog this day because it's gonna be one heck of a day. It's gonna be super hectic because, well, first of all, today is the Unit 3 dumpling dinner party. So I had to prep the filling and ingredients beforehand before bringing them over to Chris's flat. And then I also need to pack my suitcase for tomorrow because my mom and my sister and I were gonna go on a trip to Germany literally tomorrow early morning. The flight's at 6:30, so the timings are just super hectic, but I'm gonna figure this out. I actually got really stressed yesterday because of all the timings, but it's gonna be fine, and I'm supposed to enjoy the day despite its hecticness. So let's get on with the day. Prepped all the ingredients. Mommy, 我都寫咗張卡俾你。
你講俾我聽係，我講俾你聽係你要有你嗰啲 healing garden。
Yeah, I did. Anyways, I mean, this is your card.
Bathhouse.
What do you mean
Yeah, it's so nice. I love this one. You see, the other people, they take a copy or whatever. Done. Just draw it. In the
Yeah, and I
world.
also wrote it in Chinese.
Wow. That's more treasure.
Okay, you're welcome, Mom. Bye. This is Nicole's card.
Much, darling.
You're welcome, Mama. And then also, this is for you.
Ah! Wow, it's so pretty, Glory.
Thanks.
Is this a part of your drawing, right?
Yeah, it's one of the final drawings, and then I just printed it on the
nice.
card. And then the back is the gardener and the visitor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm in your video now.
Yeah. And then you can open and see the
Wait,
amount.
is this printed?
Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Yeah, you can read it later, but you can look at the words. It's like an essay.
I will. Can you give me the summary? Don't put that in.
We're bringing our 饺子 and dumpling filling. We're going together. Okay, let's go. Oh, dumplings. Bon appetit, Anna, Chris. Dumplings. I'm just singing hello. Marsha's making her potatoes. Yay. There's Chris.
Slept a lot today.
Yes. Oh, look at her dumplings.
I actually have on the video how Luke is winking at me.
Eugene, say hi.
Oh, hello.
Okay.
然后揉搓是一个光滑的面团。
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy. Eugene, say hi.
Hello.
Look
Sorry,
at
I
me.
will stop being creepy. Hello.
Hello. We're also making skewers.
Hello.
Hello. So many dumplings. And then we got some sweet potato fries and also skewers. And that's just making the wrapper.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the evil plan.
Oh my gosh.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
So let's go, yeah.
Hope everyone.
Oh.
Hi Eugene, say hi.
It's not Eugene, it's my height.
Yay.
Top 5.
Oh no.
We should have a full leaderboard. We have a full leaderboard.
Well, I let Rocky down. I just seen but last two.
Congratulations, Dan.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Well done, Dan. Did you say why does it say 3? Good game, guys. Bye.
Okay, let me just drink it. Mix it.
Glory.
Wait.
Last words.
Last words.
Cheers. Cheers.
Have you ever done a shot before?
I think I have.
You think?
I think I have.
Okay, she didn't. Then.
I'm pretty sure I have. Are we cheering?
No.
I don't know what we're doing. I'm just watching you do this.
Okay.
Can I come and cheers too?
Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Did you like it? I'm sure your mum will be very proud.
Thanks.
Oh my God, Glory, don't cry. Don't cry.
Don't film the hug. That's why I filmed the shot. Specifically told not to hug students.
Yeah. You don't need to drink it. Just to sip. Just to cheers you.
Drink with beer.
Just to cheers you.
Cheers.
Glory's like, what?
We've got someone here. Oh, well done, boys.
How do you drink vodka? That's so
Cheers.
Good.
The camera work.
Find we have a baking paper.
No, it's a cake.
We have a free
It's
on
the
it.
vegan one.
Happy birthday to who?
Happy birthday to Unit 3.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Unit 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
You gotta blow it.
Hopefully it's also nice.
That's so good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you. What is it?
So I made just like a normal dough with the mixed with cheese on the bottom, and the middle part is strawberry with coconut milk and some almonds, and that's it.
We're on our way back home. Zian got so emotional because it's the last, well, kind of last farewell of Unit 3, but yeah, so tired. We're heading home.